2 coming at you from Southern California, where it's a nice California cold 53 degrees. So I'm bundled up like I live in the Arctic. So on my babbling agenda today, I'm going to be trying a few things with my video editing. Just a few settings that I've had wrong all this time. And if you guys don't already know, if you happen to use Vegas Video for your editing software, I follow JustAlexHalford and CasualSavage. Both have great channels with all kinds of tutorials on how to do different things with Vegas Video, which I just recently upgraded to Vegas Pro 16 since they had the upgrade special offer. So what I learned yesterday from watching JustAlexHalford was I had a couple settings on my files that I was importing wrong, and then I also had some render settings that were all wrong, which was affecting my video quality on render. So you may or may not notice a difference today. I'm hoping you do. I kind of re-rendered an older video this morning just to see, and the quality on the actual render file itself was great. It was a lot different, a lot more clear. I don't know how much YouTube compression is going to ruin that though, so we'll see. But that's the way I do my channel, man. I'm always trying to figure out a way to make things a little better for the viewing experience. I have to apologize, my voice sounds a little weird and raspy. I've been sick the last couple days. And I actually just got off of a 24-hour shift where I was feeling like crap all day yesterday. But for some reason, I'm feeling better this morning, even after working my ass off and getting woke up a bunch of times last night. So hopefully it stays that way. Again, I know I shouldn't be out riding the bike, but screw it. I'm actually on my way to a training that I have to do for the hospital that I work at. And I have to commute like 35 miles for a 2-hour training class that I really don't want to go to. So, in my typical fashion, if I have to go somewhere that I don't want to go, why not take the bike? At least make it a little bit of fun. Actually, what I'm going to today is it's kind of like a self-defense type of training. Certain areas of the hospital that are prone to having violence issues are required to do this class once a year. Just so happens that I just got hired at this hospital about 8 months ago, and I just did this class. But everybody has to do it at the same time of year, every year, so that way it's easier to keep track of, I guess. So, I don't know, like I said, I'm riding, so I'm going to make the best of it. Try not to make this video too long, because you know I know my view duration is actually pretty low compared to the length of my videos. So since I was talking about beautiful sunny Southern California, there's one last thing I want to bring up for this vlog, and then maybe I'll just film a second vlog on the way home to keep them a little shorter. So my birthday is on Christmas Eve, and in California, your driver's license expiration year, it expires on your birthday of that year. So, 2 months in advance, I tried to make an appointment for the DMV where I live. No appointments available over the next 3 months. The earliest appointment was like in February sometime, and I'm going, wow, well, that ain't gonna work. So I tried every DMV anywhere near me to see what I could do. None of them had an appointment open until like late January, early February. Now to me, this is kind of insane when you think about it. We live in a state where we pay probably close to the highest taxes in the United States, and that's the service we get for it. I don't know. I just don't understand. So I kept checking and checking and checking because I don't want to just go sit in the DMV and waste an entire day sitting there, because that's the kind of service you get when you don't have an appointment. I was able to get an appointment on my birthday, Christmas Eve, 50 miles away at a DMV office. So I will not only be spending my Christmas Eve, but also my birthday taking care of this crap. I don't know, man. California really needs to get it together. This is getting freaking ridiculous. So I guess in the spirit I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this vlog off for right now, and we'll keep it short. Just remember, if you use Vegas Video, check out JustAlexHalford and CasualSavage. I guarantee you will learn from them. So, rubber side down, shiny side up, and Skunk is out. Talk to you all next time.